I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super.
What's up, you guys? This is Ebony Alexis again, back with another video. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe. Actually hit that notification bell because I will be uploading more. And let's go ahead and just get into the video. So today I'm going to be doing this look here that you see, and I'm going to just be showing you guys how I get this sleek bun, high bun ponytail here. So keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and here is my eco styler. So I'm going to put a little bit, as you can see, I'm going to put a little bit in the front. And kind of just rub it in. Don't mind my face, you guys. And I'm putting a little bit in the back. You want to make sure you put a good amount so that it's, you know, pretty wet. I mean, enough to cover, just enough to cover everywhere on your hair. I'm going to do this all over, and I have my detangler little brush here, and I love this thing. This thing gets all of my tangles out of my hair. And I'm just brushing it all up towards the top of my head. And I have my brush here. This type of brush is kind of like a hard brush. It just helps to get my hair very smooth. Why I look like I'm hurting or something? My face. Alright, so I have two little rubber band scrunchies. I'm going to tie my hair up really tight. And then next I'm gonna just wrap my hair around into a little small bun. And I'm gonna take another little scrunchie and like tie it around to keep it in place. Alright, so right here I have a little ponytail that I got from the beauty supply. This ponytail was like $15, and honestly, like, the quality is so good on it. But I love this little ponytail, and they have like so many other different colors too, so I'm probably gonna be going back to get another one. So what I just did here is I just put it on top of my little bun there, and the drawstring that I have on the back of it, I'm just gonna pull that, and I'm actually kind of struggling a little bit to try to tighten it up, but it's okay, we got this. Okay, so now I'm taking a little piece on the side here, and what I'm gonna do is wrap it around and kind of pin it down just to kind of cover around the ponytail. Okay, so I got it to come around a little bit, and now I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin it in place. Okay, so I'm going to take this other side and pin it down towards the back as well. Gotta do a little face, you know. Okay, so now I'm taking my toothbrush and we're gonna hook us up with some edges. You know, you can't have a sleek bun without any edges. If you have any flyaways, you want to brush your hair a little bit. Okay, and here is the final look. Your girl is looking good. Little face here and there. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video and you have any other ideas or anything else you want to see me do, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.